Hi everyone, this is Phonics Unit 30, Day 1. We're going to begin by looking at some pictures and listening for consonant sounds. Consonants are the letters in the alphabet that are not vowels. So let's take a look at some pictures. So here we have some celery. What sound do you hear at the beginning of celery? That's right. S. I wonder what consonant makes that sound. Here's another picture. Mice. What consonant sound do you hear at the end of mice? Yes, also the S sound. Let's take a look at another picture. Here is a giraffe. What consonant sound do you hear at the beginning of giraffe? The J sound. All right, in our last picture, here's a picture of vegetables. What consonant sound do you hear in vegetables? There's actually quite a few, but we are thinking and listening for the J sound again. This week's phonics unit is focusing on the consonants C, but making the S sound, and G, but making the J sound. Arms up, let's get ready to tap out some new words. The first one is J, E, M, gem. And our next word is S, I, T, E, city. I'm going to show you how to spell two of our new spelling words. So the first word is gem. Gem. And this is like a precious stone. You might have a gem in some jewelry. So the first sound I hear is J. And this is made with the letter G. J. The next sound I hear is E. And that's made with the letter E. The last sound in gem is and that's made with the letter M. The next spelling word we're going to practice is cent. And this cent means like some coins or money. Like I have 1 cent left in my bank account. So the first sound I hear is S. And this word cent, that's made with the letter C. So moving along, S, E. Again, I hear that E sound. Scent is an N blend, and I hear an N, scent, finishing off with the letter T, and that's how you spell scent. Today in your notebooks, I want you to practice writing your new spelling words 3 times each. The words are cent, gem, ace, age, face, and huge. All right, talk to you next time.